petition, you can get divorced in 60 days if you have an agreement completely with everything. But most of the time, that's not going to happen. So what usually happens is that the attorneys will start off with proposals. So basically communicating back and forth what it is that their client wants and seeing whether they can negotiate something. Now, if they're unable to come to an agreement, a lot of times they'll schedule a mediation. So that's where you have a third-party mediator. So a lot of times it's an attorney, sometimes it's a licensed mediator. But what they do is they come in and speak to you and your attorney, and the opposing side and their attorney, and try to figure out if they can come to an agreement. A lot of times mediations are very helpful and successful in getting things resolved because you're there for 4 hours where we have these 4 hours to just go over every little thing back and forth. But sometimes you can't get things resolved in a mediation. At that point, you would go to court and have a contested hearing, and the judge would decide how they're going to divide the property. So it all depends. As far as the length of time the divorce takes regarding property, it depends how willing your significant other, your spouse, you're going to get divorced from, is willing to work with you, and how the attorneys are able to work with each other. But everything is a case-by-case situation. It all depends.